Alright. Hey, what is up, YouTube? So today we're going to be reviewing the iYoYo iPPON. So, let's get right into it. Pom-pom. Pom-pom. You got a little flower thing right here. I think it's kind of cute, you know? These specs for this yo-yo are... Yes, Mr. Krabs. Oh, you thought... Hey, not cool, not cool. Not cool. Wearing that quality... Hey, Tyler, turn around. Quality 21 pallets. The specs on this yo-yo are 66.9 grams is how much it weighs. And it was actually made in Germany because that's where iYoYo is based out of. If you didn't know that. Knowledge. And the gap width of this is 4.32 meters, millimeters. It and it weighs and I'm sorry, it's almost 44 millimeters wide, and the diameter for this yo-yo is 55.89. Excuse me? And the diameter for this yo-yo, like I was trying to say before someone so rudely interrupted me, was 55.89 millimeters, or 2.2 inches for those peoples in America. So the yo-yo is really smooth, and it's and it has a really smooth finish to it. Good job for making that conclusion. And it has a really, really cool finger spin cap. Finger spin. Yeah, it's a good finger spin cap. It's basically like all iYoYos, they have pretty much all good finger spin caps. I feel like that's what they're known for. But, and also it has that really like classic iYoYo plastic. And it grinds on your finger really well, as you kind of like saw me do it a few other seconds ago. Okay, that's cool. I don't know. I wouldn't really use it for competing unless you're like planning on doing a finger spin. But other than that, it's, I don't know. It's just an average practice yo-yo. Pretty good for iPPON. This is a really good iYoYo. Probably one of my favorites. The Iceberg, I feel like, is just a downgrade of this. I think they just like used some ideas from the Iceberg. Icebreaker, ice something. Iceberg. And just kind of threw some ideas in and kind of made it like a bimetal, because the rim isn't actually completely over the edge. It's Delrin, and then there's metal rims, is what he's trying to say. That spins for a very long time. Oh. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys.